Good morning! It's Winter Wonderland here in Vancouver and welcome back to the vlog. Kung may time ka this morning, sama ka sa akin, lakad-lakad tayo sa snow.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile.
Hi guys! Happy Sunday! How are you? It's February 2 and it's a snowy Sunday morning here in Vancouver. First snowfall ko to here in the city of Vancouver and excited ako because normally ang Vancouver hindi naman talaga siya madalas mag-snow unlike its neighboring provinces. Sabi ko nga sa mga previous vlogs and I'm sure you know about this, Vancouver has the mildest winter in comparison to other cities here in Canada because of its location near the Pacific Ocean coast, which controls the temperature and prevents, lalo na yung Rocky Mountains also, it prevents the Arctic air from reaching the city. Kaya hindi masyado nagsusnow dito. However, kapag nag-snow naman dito, normally ang mga tao, sabi nila, medyo takot lumabas, takot mag-drive because unlike in other provinces na uso sa kanila or requirement sa kanila ang bumili ng winter tires, dito hindi masyado. But, iba rin ang charm ng Vancouver kapag winter at nagsusnow, kaya gusto kong ma-experience yon. I just want to walk around the area. Tignan natin kung makakakuha tayo ng mga interesting clips. And if may free time ka, tara, lakad tayo. Lakad tayo sa Marina side. Unfortunately, late nakauwi si Leuven from his night shift. Nahirapan daw yung mga workmates niya mag-commute going to the hospital. Kaya they had to stay longer while waiting for the other nurses. Tayo na lang maglalakad-lakad this morning so that he can rest. Medyo mabagal lang yung lakad natin kasi slushy yung ibang parts and ayaw nating madulas. This is how it looks like. Dahan-dahan lang tayong maglakad. Some pet owners are still walking their dog. I guess sanay na siguro yung mga dogs nila sa ganitong, I don't know, condition. Tignan mo yan. The city is covered in snow and I think for the next 2 days, yan ang magiging itsura ng Vancouver. And that's right. That's our apartment building right there. I think this morning is -5. Careful lang tayong mag-walk. We are walking towards the marina front. Tignan natin how it looks like. Ang hirap lang mag-record or mag-video kasi I can't feel my fingers sa sobrang lamig. Pero enjoy siya. I don't know. I really like snow. Iba din talaga yung charm na nabibigay ng snow. Especially if it's covering the entire city. Ang saya kasi yung nasa likuran ko, that's a dog park, Cooper's Park. And marami pa rin mga dogs na naglalaro sa snow with their pet parents. Katulad ko, mahilig ka rin ba maglakad-lakad kahit na nagsusnow? Do comment down below. This is my first snowfall here in Vancouver. And ito yung isa sa mga nami-miss ko about Ontario. Sa Ontario kasi, grabe yung snowfall doon, di ba? Pero dito, kapag may opportunity, lalo na today, nako, ang sarap maglakad-lakad. Medyo challenging nga lang siya kasi I had to stop every now and then kasi I can't feel my fingers dahil sobrang nagnanumb na siya. And walang grip masyado sa camera. That's why I had to remove my gloves every now and then. But overall, I can't complain. Sobrang ang charming din pala talaga ng Vancouver kapag covered in snow. And this is the first time I am seeing this. Kaya naman super happy ako. I hope you're having a great Sunday morning kung umiinom ka ng coffee while watching this. Or maybe you are also within Metro Vancouver at nag-iikot-ikot ka din with your family. You guys have a good time. Hopefully, marami pa tayong magawa. Not today necessarily, but marami pa tayong magawa before winter ends. Hindi pa namin natatry yung snowboarding or snow tubing. Harris and Grace recommended na meron daw area sa Cypress Mountain and pwedeng puntahan natin yan. Lakad pa rin tayo dito sa Marina Front. Ikaw ba mahilig ka rin sa snow? Mahilig ka rin maglakad-lakad sa snow? Or kung na-enjoy mo ba ang snow? If you're living here in Vancouver or in BC, most probably, siguro ang answer mo hindi. Kasi Tony, kaya nga kami dito nakatira. Because it has a milder climate. But you'll never know. So do comment down below. Nako, ang sarap mag-tubing nito sa Cypress Mountain or sa Grouse Mountain. Yayain ko nga si Luvin. Based on weather forecast, I think it will be snowing up until 6 in the afternoon. So whole day siya. Hindi masyadong marami naglalakad or nagjo-jog, pero meron pa din naman. Hindi madalas mag-snow dito sa Vancouver, pero kapag nagsusnow, ano yung madalas mong gawin with your family here in Vancouver? Do comment down below. Kwentuhan tayo. Hindi pa namin natatry yung snow tubing. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta ng Cypress Mountain. Nakapunta kami ng Whistler twice, pero medyo bitin yung time. So let's see kung makakabalik tayo before end of winter. Pero kayo, ikaw, anong mahilig niyong gawing family bonding kapag nagsusnow dito during winter? Mag-share ka naman ng fun experiences na pwede naming maging inspiration, baka sakaling magawa din namin ni Luvin. I am thinking makapunta kaya kami ng Sea to Sky sa Squamish. We've been there once, but I'm sure ang charming ng area na yan if it's really covered in snow. So tignan natin kung kaya natin yung gawin this week. Ano pa bang magandang gawin kahit indoors na nasa bahay ka lang, and nagsusnow, ang lamig-lamig ng weather. Siguro ang sarap magluto ng arroz caldo or ng sopas. Naku, nakakagutom yan. And pwede talagang itry. Kagabi, nagluto ako ng nilagang baboy with bok choy, carrots and potato. So, ang sarap humigop ng soup, lalo na kapag ganitong malamig yung weather. Tapos magbe-binge watch ka lang sa Netflix or Apple TV, 'di ba, ng favorite series mo. Ang ganda nun. O paano? Medyo giniginaw na ako. I think na-experience na natin or ako how it feels kapag nagsusnow dito sa downtown Vancouver. And I think okay na tayo. Balik na tayo sa bahay kasi ginugutom na ako dahil nga na-bring up ko yung food. Nako, ginugutom na ako. I'm sure pagdating ko doon tulog na si Luven, but I will have brunch alone at home while he is resting. And hopefully, makalabas kami, makaikot-ikot kami dito bago mag 6 p.m. If kaya kong mag-vlog later, I will ask you to join me again. If not, I hope nag-enjoy ka sa konti at maiksing kwentuhan natin. We just wanted to maximize our time this morning dahil nga nagsusnow. Well, if sinamahan mo ako sa paglalakad-lakad, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hanggang sa susunod. This has been Tony. Thanks for watching.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel